Gian Cabe. Okay, for representatives, grade 1, Genji Dwayne G. Dagen. For grade 2, Kian Marco Balanza. Palakpak kayo Grade 3, Jerial Rain Somera. Grade 4, Alia Kate Asuncion. For grade 5, Cyrus Jacinth Raganit. And for grade 6, Princess Joy Rabi. Okay, are you ready na, Team Tikas? Para sa pag-introduce ng inyong mga sarili? Okay, let's take up Miss Bea Therese Roll.
My name is Bea Therese Roll, running for president. Please vote for me. If I'm lucky to win, I will try my best to stop bullying and increase people's interest in school.
Okay, thank you, Miss Bea Therese Roll.
My name is Arya Mayer. I'm running for vice president.
Okay, Aria May Ramulete. For secretary,
Good morning, everyone. I am Rianal Denise Arabon, running for the position as secretary. Please vote for me.
okay, next, Princess Aisha Ramilo. Ay, Althea J. Navarro pala.
Good morning. Hi, my name is Althea Jane Navarro. I'm running for treasurer. Please vote for me. Hi, schoolmates. My name is Princess Asia Erin Ramilo. I am 9 years old, presently at grade 3A, under the advisor of Ma'am Milagros Leven, running for the position of auditor. Hoping you would support me and vote me in my group, and I'll do my best. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Princess Aisha. Next.
Maimbag Abigatio sa sentro. Siyak ni Kaitera Ayesha Lubogay. Tumaltaray ang posisyon ang PIO. When no Public Information Officer. Ket silbi akas marites si amin nga adadal. Apay, kami ni Sotiat ginaginang-promote the activities and program ng mga pagkibabaen TSCLD. Ipadang agad-adal. Kaya to, balin nga marites tapno may kamuti kasaya at noan niya timan activities, projects, and programs. TSCLD. Sapay tumabigyandak nga dagiti kagrupong tapno mamay sa tayo. Siya ni Kaitera Ayesha Rebudal. Timay kalima nga baitang. Pupil para TSLD PIO.
Okay, thank you, Marites. Ay, Kaitera Ayesha Rebudal. Next.
Naimbag ang bigat kayo Central School. Naimbag ang bigat kayo eskwela sa Nidok Iyong Kate. Umagang para school o dito. Naimbag ang bigat tayo aming kasentro. Eskwela sa Nidok Iyong Kate. Umagang para school o dito. Kapag talkanang selfie para dito. Eskwela ang ikotos lang ng kasentro.
Okay, thank you, Job Gian Cabe. Jinji Dwayne Kidangen for grade 1 representative.
Good morning, classmates. I'm Genji Dwayne Kidangin. A kinder pupil running of the position of grade 1 representative. My dear classmate, please vote for me. Please vote wisely. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Genji. Grade 2.
representative.
Thank you, Miss Marco. Next. Jeriel.
Good morning, schoolmates. I am Jeriel Rain Somera, running for grade 3 representative. Please vote for me. I will not break rules or protocols.
Okay, next. Grade 4 representative.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aliyah Ketel Asuncion, running for the position of grade 4 representative. Please vote for me.
Okay, next. Grade 5 representative. Cyrus.
Good morning, everyone. My name is
Cyrus pa.
Naibag na bigatyo ang siya ni Cyrus Jacint Raganit. Lumaglaban na nga representative ti grade 4. Sapay kumatay butas da.
Okay, next. For and the last but not the least, grade 6 representative.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Princess Jerabe and running for grade 6 representative, and please vote for me.
Okay, that's it for Team Tikas. For President, Bea Therese Roll. Pasahon. Palakpak kayo na. Vice President, Maria May Racolete. For Secretary, Rianel Denise Lapon. For Treasurer, Althea Jane Navarro. For Auditor, Princess Aisha Erich Ramilo. For VIO, Kitela Ayesha Rebudal. And for Protocol Officer, Jock Gian Cabe. For Representatives, Grade 1, Jen Dwayne Kitangin. Grade 2, Gin Margo Balansa. For Grade 3, Jeriel Rain Somera. Grade 4, Aliyah K. Asuncion. Grade 5, Cyrus Jacint Raganit. And for Grade 6, Princess Joy Rabe. Again, ito